Now guys, back to the movie. I didn't get to finish the other one because this thing popped up said size limit reach, and it's not the size limit. I'll be making another video. Please enjoy. Okay, so as you realize, my brother at school today. I'm on spring break because my teacher made me stay in school a week early. So the whole school is off break. And I'll be here to show you this video. It's the birds versus the stinky Stanley. And my brother would have said, and that's what my brother would have said. So instead, he's at his jobs. He's at school. So we were in the video. Bye. Bum 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 bum. We're hardly doing any damage. Where the heck? Woohoo! Woohoo! Rah! Oh, charge complete. Charge complete. Okay. Rah! So, no, it's only 2 of us left. Hey! Middle. Rah! Oh, bigger. Woohoo! I knew I should heal him before I went on. Attack check. Sure. Attack the blues in. We have 100 health. And just 360 damage. I'm ready. No, not me. Not me. Hiya. No, I have to